Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi, and if you're new to my channel, the subscribe button is always below. Ensure you hit it, and if you're not new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video is going to be about hair grease. I've been seeing videos, I've been getting recommended videos on hair grease and this and that and this and that, and to be very honest, I use grease in my hair. I stopped using grease in my hair like 2018. I used it in 2017, yeah, because I bought for myself and my sister. When I went natural, it was virgin hair fertilizer all the way. It was Hair Wonder shampoo, Hair Wonder oil, Hair Wonder cream, virgin hair fertilizer, and that was all. We didn't have a leave-in conditioner, we didn't have anything. So I stopped using it in 2018. Kind of like natural community, like, you don't use hair grease in your hair. I didn't even know that virgin hair fertilizer was hair grease until like last month. But I stopped using like actual hair creams, all them other hair creams in my hair. I never used Jax, funny enough, or I used Blue Magic in 2018 when I first ever got Kiko threading, actual Kiko. That's the first time I used Blue Magic, and it actually made my hair soft. I don't know what the woman put, and she didn't put any water. I was just putting my hair and just comb, and my hair was combing. I'm like, but today's video is going to be about virgin hair fertilizer. If you are in natural hair community and you did not just start your natural hair journey today, you would have seen these products packaged in this packaging here. And virgin hair fertilizer is an anti-dandruff and hair conditioning cream for both rapid and healthy hair growth. If you are an OG naturalist, at least 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years to forever, you'd have either seen this product, used this product, or purchased it. And I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden everyone's still talking about it, and I picked it up again November last year. But the thing is, I couldn't record any video or share anything about it because I was on a filming break, because I had exams, I had school, so it's just somewhere in my room. I mixed it with my sulfate and a couple of oils. I will share that with you when I get back to school, when I can get my hands on the products. But this virgin hair fertilizer, I just realized that this was hair grease like some weeks ago this year, and it says the ingredients are herbal extract, petroleum jelly, peppermint oil, menthol, shea butter, lanolin, and fragrance. This thing it has the peppermint oil, and the peppermint and the menthol effect is really crazy. And before, in like 2016, 2015, people would swear that this thing would make their hair grow. So why did everybody just stop using it all of a sudden? But that's a question for another day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be using this in your hair, how I use it on my scalp and in my hair, because the hair and scalp conditioning cream, they said apply to your hair and scalp every day and comb. Personally, I've stopped, like my routine has changed up a little bit, so I don't oil my hair on the day of my wash day. If I wash on Sunday, I oil on Monday or Tuesday. Then today is like Thursday or Friday, I apply this in my hair on Thursday or Friday, so that I'll wash again on Sunday, so that I don't have the product build up for too long. Or so, because the peppermint effect of this lasts about 1 or 2 days on my scalp, I still feel it's like a day or two after. That's why I like the product. So I purchased this for 650 naira. It's bigger than the one in the tube. The tube is about 150 grams or so. This is bigger than it, and I'm already, let me see, more than halfway done. I've already hit pan. And it's an affordable means. And I told you I'm going back to my OG product, so we move. The other product I used in this video, I used my Zibel Curls Natural Butter also before I use the virgin hair fertilizer. You will see it in the next clip. And for my edges, I use my Beautiful Another hair oil. Use NK500 to purchase yours. I'm almost done with this thing now. Maybe I won't have to use NK500 to purchase my own. And my black tea rinse, and that was all. So enjoy the video, and we'll be right back. Okay, hi guys. So the first thing I use is my black tea rinse. This is what I talked about before. My Beautiful Another hair growth serum, my Zibel Curls Natural Rich Butter Moisture Cream, and my virgin hair fertilizer. So my hair is actually quite dry now. I have it in really chunky twists because this is my new go-to hairstyle. So you can see that my ends are dry. They're all dry. There's nothing moisturized about this hair. So I'll take the back section while I put the other part up in a bun. While this, I just loosen the twist and I try to run my fingers through. but it's quite hard and it's all matted. So I spray my leave-in tea, my black tea, Ayurvedic tea into my hair, on my scalp and on my strands, just so I can be able to run my fingers through. I don't spray so much because I don't want my hair to get shrunken. I still want my hair to have this stretched effect. I'm trying to arrange my ends also. Then I go in with the Zebra Curls Butter Moisture Cream. I don't apply so much also. I just apply just enough to seal in the little moisture I've added. But the cream is actually a moisturizing cream. I apply some more, after which I apply it to my ends because those ends need the TLC. Then I go with my virgin hair fertilizer, hair grease, whatever you people call it, and I apply it on the strands of my hair. Just to see, when I do this, my moisture lasts for about 3-4 days compared to the regular 1 or 2 days max. So I just I just twist my whole strands loosely because I want the loose twist effect. I don't want my twist to be tight. These twists are really chunky. I repeat this for the other side, but ensure I spray my scalp before I apply hair grease to my scalp. I spray my scalp and I massage it very well. Then I apply the hair grease, just sealing the moisture on the scalp. This is the best way to use hair grease. I'm just applying the grease directly to your scalp might just cause your pores to get blocked. So this is the best way so that your scalp is also moisturized and you don't leave it in for so long. I leave mine in for like 2 days. This is 2 days to my wash day, and after that I wash it off. And I apply this to my ends just to make sure that my ends, all the moisture on my ends are sealed. And I repeat the same thing for the front. You can see the front of my hair is really dry. So I just spray my scalp, massage everything in, spray my ends, spray the body of my hair. And I try to finger the tangle. I actually don't use any combs now because not like I don't like combs, I'm just more comfortable using my hands. And I apply the butter again to my strands using the praying mantis or praying hands method and the raking method at the same time. Then I apply the virgin hair fertilizer to my ends and to the body of my head. In this method, you're going to use more shampoo on your wash day, so just prepare, brace yourselves. The products don't mix so well at first, but when it dries, everything just dries up seamlessly. So I repeat the same thing for the other sides while I spray my scalp so that I can apply the virgin hair fertilizer to my scalp. You have to be careful applying virgin hair fertilizer because it has a specific color, so it looks as if your hair is dirty. So when you're applying, make sure you rub it in well. So I repeat this for the other sides, and voila. So when I was done twisting, I ensured I went in with the Beautiful Another Edges Reboost Serum on my edges because I didn't want to apply any grease on my edges. I don't apply grease to my edges, just my scalp, because this good serum would help my edges to regrow. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you've ever used virgin hair fertilizer before, please tell me in the comment section with your memories with all these OG products. And subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And you can check me out on Pinterest. I've not used it in a while, but just check me out and follow. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload after this. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.